One, two, three, four.
certain place in time, staring outside the window, watching life go by. The air felt so clean and good as I held your hand in mine. These are the memories of a certain place in time, the ones I left behind. They're somewhere in my mind. I wish that I knew why. I wish that I knew why. Days turn to weeks and summer is gone before we know. The green fades from leaves and trees carry away the falling snow. Where does the time go? It used to move so slow. I'd really love to know. Just look at how you've grown. You were just a child with such a brilliant smile, and a heart that's made of gold, a soul that's free and wild. And I was just like you. You were on my side. You were just a child. You were just a child. This isolation was always a part of the plan. There
Chirp or squawk when they're nervous or threatened, and she will come out up to 3 or 4 years and protect them, or another baby's group if they come out and chirp, if females are nearby. So as far as full-blooded animals go, that's kind of different. They're all free floating. One of the things it can be used for as a positive is I've known of fish farmers who will freeze them up in little pucks and throw them into their tanks with their fish, and they love it. And then they use the fish waste, they squish that out, and then they put that on their duckweed ponds. It was a really nice circle with just 3 different. I'm not even sure he's quite past a year, but the reason he's here is because one of his siblings bit off his ear. So you can see he doesn't have an ear.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome the new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way.
Those heavy plates, these scales, and these different tiny skin textures right here. Feel all of those. All right, everybody good? If he chirps or squawks, it means he's nervous. There isn't a mama alligator in here, so we're okay. Also, I'm holding him, I'm not squeezing him at all. You can go back and forth between my fingers. I'm just making sure that he's...
Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply.
Do they eat the same thing?
Sorry.
No, so they have different beaks, they have different feet, they have different types of feathers and flying, right? That's specific to them. They are perfect in their little niche of the world. So we got all different types of beaks here as well. That's what these guys are going to represent. I don't know how this thing goes. Okay, this is a confused bird. All right, so like a rosette spoonbill. Got kind of a broad mouth.
Oh, God. Okay.
Go for it. And that happens.
Can I get it one?
There you go.
Put it in. Get a lot.
Yep, now get it. That's fine. Go, go, go. We got like the smallest one. Yeah, I got it. You got it. All right, and stop when it comes back to the first person. Who in person is that? So we'll stop with you.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now.
Think about that.
There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed.